Good morning, everyone. This is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. This is our evening time, drive time update, guys. So hopefully you're all doing pretty good. It's kind of a mixed day. We got a bit of a Dino day for the altcoins, and we got a Debbie Downer bear for Bitcoin. So hopefully this will change. I'm going to show you some evidence that it looks like we're going to hit $100,000 Bitcoin before we hit a $30,000 Bitcoin in the house. And also, too, if Jeremy Powell does increase the interest rate 0.75%, I'm going to show you some TA and analysts, a chart that's going to blow your mind, because last time that the interest rates went up like this, we saw Bitcoin absolutely go boom chakalaka to the moon. So if that sounds interesting, if that sounds cool, if that sounds great, don't forget, this is not financial advice, this is just OG knowledge. If this sounds cool, keep watching, guys. Smash the like, move the likes, subscribe, and give a super chat if you're in the live stream. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to go and check out all the links, guys. Check out all the linky winks right down here, right down there. You can buy the Jalen coffee. We've got the Doge Tip Jar, guys. So get all that and show some love in the house. So right now we're seeing that the pre-markets in the house are looking green, but just slightly green as anyone's guess. Just go up or down, as I said in my previous video. We got the alien in the house. So right now we're about to give Jeremy Powell a red card in the house if we start to see that the interest rates go higher than 0.75%. Now, keep in mind that on Wednesday, guys and gals, we do have the core CPI data coming out. We also had the federal budget, and with the federal budget, that's where we're going to get the rate hike announcement. So a lot of people are saying, and you can see this here, that 98% of all the people are thinking that we're going to get a 75 basis point rate increase. So that's not looking too good. That's absolutely not looking too good in-house. So that is pretty interesting. So last time we saw that we had the Fed came up with a lot of subsequent hikes after being zero for a long time. We saw Bitcoin price absolutely moon. We saw it here, guys. So when we had the Fed rate hike, we saw Bitcoin go on a huge terror, and it went up almost 1x to 1.5x. So if that happens again, and I think it's going to happen, remember, history often rhymes but never repeats. But I think it's definitely going to be happening, guys. So let's take a look at the heat map in house, right? The heat map in house. So right now, the heat map in house, we're seeing that Bitcoin is at 38,500, and 38,500 seems to be a huge resistance level for the biddy right now, and that is just weird and wacky. Looks like the altcoins are doing pretty good though. The altcoins are all in the green, so that's why we've got the Debbie Downer bear for Bitcoin, and we've got the green dino out there for the altcoin. So it's kind of a mixed bag today. So hopefully this will continue, and expect the volumes to be pretty light, but expect a lot of chop and turbulence for the broader market. So when you're watching this video, it should be open. The market should be open, guys. So show some love in-house, guys. So right now, this is also coming in Bitcoin archive. You can see that the Bitcoin transactions have outstripped Visa, guys. So we had 13.1 trillion transactions for Bitcoin, and in 2021, and we had only 10.4 trillion for Visa. So it looks like Bitcoin is winning, guys. So that's kind of cool. It got wacky out there. So that is pretty cool and wacky out there. So that is interesting beans in the house. Other stuff that's coming in right now. This is from the Root in the house. And he's saying still the same choppy area. Bitcoin is changing from weak hands to strong hand. So we're seeing that a lot of the weak hands out there are actually, losing money out there, and the strong hands are becoming more and more of the Bitcoin holders. So we're seeing that the weak hands are selling, they're losing money, and the whales are snapping them up. I mean, I'm not a whale, but I could be a dolphin. But I'm snapping up as much Bitcoin as I can, because if we hit $100,000 and you're only paying like 38,500 now, that's a big increase. That's over a 1x increase, guys. So that's pretty cool beans in the house. So you can see right now that we're seeing still short-term holders are losing money, where long-term holders are gaining money. And I did talk about ARK investment. They did have this chart that I showed in the first video. Go back and watch the first video, and it really shows that the only way to make money in this market is very simple, very simple. You just have to have diamond hands, wait and be patient. If you can have diamond hands, wait and be patient, then you're going to be in the money, guys. So that's the only way to make money out here in crypto land. So we can see here, this is from Stock Money Lizard. It says cycles between halving dates follow this scheme, and this is true. They go from bull run, consolidation with lower lows, turnaround zone followed by higher lows. So currently we're seeing higher highs and the top of the cycle is still pending. So what he's saying is if you compare this to other cycles, you can still see that the top is not in. We're still painting higher lows on a longer time frame. So sometimes Wendy Trendy is your friend. You have to zoom out. So that's what gives me more and more evidence, more and more feeling, more and more, confirmation out there that we still have not seen the top. Sure, I believe this bull run has been hugely extended, and we're still going to see that Bitcoin is going to go up to the moon. We're still going to the moon with Bitcoin, and also, of course, Ethereum, of course, the altcoins, and of course, the Doge Warrior. Keep watching. We've got some Doge Warrior news and some Doge Warrior to talk about. And guys, if you're still watching, boop the likes, subscribe, comment, and super chats will be very much appreciated. If you're in the live stream, I would appreciate it. So there's more and more evidence that we can see. We're going to be more likely to see a $100,000 Bitcoin before we see a $30,000 Bitcoin. So what they're saying here is that Bitcoin may not crash below $30,000. And a lot of people, a lot of Debbie Downers have been saying, oh, we're going to go to $30,000. We're going to go to $30,000. We're going to go to $30,000. And I can tell you, Debbie Downer Bear, he keeps whispering and he keeps saying, oh, gee, we're going to 30,000. We're going to 20,000. He doesn't know what he's talking about. I really believe that, and Dino keeps saying we're going to 100,000, guys. So, I believe we're going to go to 100,000. And you can see new macro top of 100,000, 200,000 for Bitcoin before we draw down. Could take liquidity at 30,000 or under. So, once we hit these tops, sure, once we hit these $100,000, $200,000 tops, you're going to see that there's a lot of open orders right now at 100,000 and 200,000. So, once Bitcoin hits those levels, you're going to see a lot of sell orders, and that could put a lot of downward pressure on Bitcoin. And we could see a bit of a sell-off, sure, because, I have a limit sell order at 100,000. Sure, why not? Not all of my Bitcoin, but some of it. I want to take some profits. So some of the Bitcoin I bought like a 6,000, 3,000. I've got a limit order 100,000. So, and not just me. A lot of people out there do have a limit order set up, guys. So that is what could drive Bitcoin down, and we could see a little bit of, we could go as low as 30,000 from all-time high. That's happened, guys. We could actually see that happening before. So, guys, I'd love to hear your comments. Right now, we're seeing that Bitcoin finally has gone above 38,500, and we're seeing that is a whole area of resistance. You can see here, we've just been skirting this $38,500 zone, and we've been skirting it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in the house, guys. And right now we're just sitting right at the premises of that support level, and we really need Bitcoin to get moving above that support level, because time and time again, if we keep getting rejected, what's going to happen? We're going to be going down. But we're seeing higher lows overall on the shorter time frame, guys. So we're seeing higher lows, absolutely higher lows are coming in. It doesn't look like it on the shorter time frame, but if you zoom out, Wendy Trendy is your friend, you can see that we're actually painting higher lows right now. So you can still see that Bitcoin is trading within my horizontal support line, and it's been holding. My horizontal support line has been holding right now for quite some time, since here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks, and right now we're at the bottom of that support line. So hopefully that support line for Bitcoin will stick at 38,500, because then our next level is at our next level is around about 35,750. We don't want to go that low. And then our next stop of support is 31,000. So if once we break past the bottom of this blue horizontal support, then we're getting in the danger zone of the minor capitulation line. And if the miner starts selling Bitcoin, as I said, time and time again, then what's going to happen is Bitcoin is going to crash definitely below 21,000, and we could be seeing $15,000, $18,000 Bitcoin. And that's a fact. That's a fact of life, guys. So it looks like the SEC is doubling down on crypto regulation by expanding its unit. SEC has just hired 20 more people, so it looks like they're taking crypto regulation and enforcement more seriously. We still don't have any regulatory clarity on crypto regulation yet. We're still waiting for that, but it's pretty clear that the current administration is pretty Debbie Downer on crypto, guys. So maybe we have to wait for the next administration to come in to get some reversal. But it looks like SEC, they're building a team. Looks like Spanish cryptocurrency exchange Bit2Me expands operations in Brazil. So that's pretty positive. That's pretty bullish in the news. Also, we're seeing this coming in for Daily Hodl. It looks like Wikipedia right now, as from pressure from its board, has turned off crypto donations. Previously, Wikipedia, which is kind of the biggest online encyclopedia, they basically They used to be able to accept crypto donation, but that has stopped. The board has stopped that. So let's take a look at the leverage apes now. Leverage apes, and then we're going to talk about Dogecoin. So right now we're seeing that the total number of leverage apes, and we give this a minty refresh. It's still raining here. I can't believe here in Vietnam it's super cold right now. It's around about 23, 25 degrees, and it is cold. Time to get to. We're not using air conditioning. We just have the windows open. It's pretty fresh from that perspective. But we're seeing that the leverage apes, they're kind of all gone to sleep. I think what's happening is a lot of the leverage traders, they're taking a stand back approach to things, and they're waiting for the federal chairman to announce CPI data on Wednesday and also the rate hike. So that's why we're seeing only about 39,000 leverage apes have been wrecked, and we're seeing only 103 million. So that's not too bad, guys. And if we see the positions on the next 12 hours, we're seeing right now that 50% longs. So right now the market makers haven't decided which way to push it. And I think the market makers are also just standing back, waiting to see. And I think we're going to see a lot of low leverage trading volumes right now, because leverage traders, hopefully some of them are smart and they don't want to be taking any positions because they absolutely don't know. Is it going to be 0.5 basis points? Is it going to be 0.75 basis points? Is the CPI data going to be worse? Is it going to be more? And, we just have to keep an eye on that, because we're really expecting that 8:30, the prediction is 8.6, but I think it's going to be much higher than that, guys. Absolutely much higher than that. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin, we can see right now for the price of Dogecoin coming in, Dogecoin right now is around about 13.08, and it's just sitting on top of my 13-cent support level. So it's really not doing anything. It's just going sideways. It's just going nowhere right now. So it's pretty boring in the house. And if you look at the Dogecoin informatics right now, we're seeing that mostly bearish. The signals are mostly bearish. We've got 56% in the money, 41% out. And it is what it is. We're slightly in the green right now, so that's pretty good. If we take a look at the Shiba Weeby right now, so Shiba Weeby as well is just also going sideways, and it's going sideways between 22 resistance and 20 support level. So we're just at that support level right now, and we're just going sideways right now. So hopefully we don't break down below that, but we do have a positive indicator here. This green triangle shows a buy signal, and we got 4 candles, and the fourth candle is red. So if this impulse to the downside continues going down, then we'll get rejected at 2.0, and then that will take us lower and lower to around about 19 now. So we don't want to see that for the Shiba Inu, Shiba Weeby, woof woof. So we're seeing right now that also Ethereum is just in the middle of our channel between 2,700 and 3,000. It's really not doing anything right now. A lot of the crypto traders, are just doing nothing to wait and see. It's a lot of wait and see. We're seeing that Phantom right now is at 80 cents, just going sideways. We're also seeing this pretty much the same thing for Solana in the house as well. So it's at 87 and it's just going sideways. Let's take a look at the total market cap. So right now the total market cap is still at 178 million, and 53.66 is the volume, and 41.25 is the dominance, guys and gals. So let's take a look at the coinage in the house. It's a pretty much mixed bag overall. Sorry, my internet is slow. It's just slow right now. So we're seeing that Bitcoin is above 38,500, but just gingerly we could still see a rejection. We could still see ourselves going down, and it's kind of weird and wacky that Bitcoin is negative, Ethereum is positive, up 1%. We're seeing BNB is slightly up. We're seeing XRP is up. Oh, we're talking about XRP. Oh my God! And we're talking about Ethereum. Solana is up as well. Luna is up. ADA is up 2.45%. So it's a bit of a comeback kid. Doge is also up. Dogecoin is actually outperforming Bitcoin, even though the correlation is really tight, guys. So we're just going to have to take a wait and see attitude. That's all we can do. So guys, go and follow me on my Twitter. We've got about 4,375 follow. Boot the like, subscribe, comment, guys. And don't forget to give a super chat, guys. And don't forget to check out all the links. Get the links. Buy the channel coffee. Become a Patreon member. And check out the merch, guys. Also check out the NFT collection, OpenCIO/Digital Asian. Get it. And guys and gals, we've got the Dogecoin Tip Jar. So we've got some Dogecoin dust. Send some Dogecoin dust our way. Remember, all the merch, all the tips, all the super chats, all that goes to charity. Remember, none of this is financial advice. You can see that right there in pink. And guys and gals, do go and check out all the merch. We got the cap to cap. We got the mug to mug. We got all sorts of stuff, guys. We also got clothes, t-shirts. So get it while you can. So I just want to say God bless each and every one of you guys. So hopefully by the time the markets open up, let's just see if the markets have opened. They may be open already. So the markets have not opened yet, but we're seeing the pre-markets are still looking it's iffy, guys. guys. It's really iffy. So God bless you. Crypto's a jungle. Be safe out there. It's a crazy land out there. And wait till Thursday. Do not do anything. If you're watching, do not do anything till Thursday. Actually, just sit on the sidelines and wait. So this is a great time to be alive. This is Rick Flair of Crypto in the House saying I love it. You love it. God bless you. Woo!